In today's markets, the highest offer doesn't always win. Here's what actually does. Strategy beats money every time. Every week, buyers come to me after losing out on Newton Home, sometimes just by one offer. They all ask me the same question. How can I get my offer accepted? Hi, I'm Laura Shetaknor with eXp Realty Living in Boston team. Newton Luxury Home is the most competitive markets in Greater Boston. Today, I'm taking you inside 3 of its most sought-after villages: Newton Center, Chestnut Hill, and Newton Highlands. I'll show you what this home looks like, what they cost, what makes each neighborhood special, and most importantly, what it actually takes to win here. Because most buyers think finding the right home is the hardest part. It's not. If you learn the winning strategy from the local experts, you will take the express line to your dream home. Hi, I'm Laura Shetaknor with Living in Boston team. For over 20 years, I've guided hundreds of buyers navigate Greater Boston real estate markets, including Newton, where I have lived over a decade. I know this neighborhood not just as an agent, but as a local. And one thing I noticed that most buyers who win aren't the one with the biggest budgets. They're the one who are best prepared. Today, I'm taking you on a luxury home tour across 3 Newton villages: a contemporary home in Newton Center, a classic colonial at Chestnut Hill, and another contemporary in Newton Highlands. You'll get a feel for the home, the neighborhood, the price point, and the lifestyle. And if you stick around through the end of this video, I'll share 3 insider strategies that can help you win in a bidding war in Newton. Let's dive in. I'm here waiting for my clients for a private in-person tour of this stunning luxury single-family home in Newton Center. My clients are looking for something very specific. Newer home built in the past 5 years, 2-car garage, 5-bedroom, 5+ bathroom, over 4,000 square feet, a modern open concept design, and easy access to downtown Boston, major hospitals, and top-rated schools. Does this sound like you? As many buyers know, most homes in Massachusetts are over 50 years old, which makes new construction in a top-rated school district like Newton incredibly desirable and limited. For families who value education, lifestyle, and long-term investment, homes like this are absolutely worth the premium. Behind me is the contemporary luxury style home. This home truly checks every box. 5-bedroom including private 4 ensuite bedrooms, 5+ bathroom, 2-car garage, 4,800 square feet, well-designed, thoughtful design living space, and sleek contemporary architecture with open layout. Located on a quiet street cul-de-sac, offering privacy and serenity. Prime Newton Center location, 1 mile to Newton Wellesley Hospital, Memorial Spalding Elementary School, 1.8 miles to Newton South High School. And if you love golfing, this home also close to Charles River Country Club, McGolf, and other recreational amenities. Home like this, luxury finishes, top-tier schools, and new construction don't come on the markets often in Newton. Let's head inside and take a closer look.
looking for a luxury home over 5,000 square feet in a prestigious neighborhood, Chestnut Hill, Massachusetts. This contemporary home features an ancient foyer, 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and 2-car garage. As you enter, you'll be greeted by ancient foyer, soaring high ceilings, hardwood flooring, and inviting living room with all-season picture windows and fireplace. The heart of the home is an open kitchen and family room leading out to an expansive backyard. Imagine cooking with backyard views or unwinding in your private oasis, complete with lush garden and a tranquil waterfall. You might just fall in love with this home's elegance and the peaceful energy. Let's take a look inside. If you've been waiting for the perfect new construction luxury home in Newton, this might be the one. Happy Sunday! I'm here in Newton's most prestigious neighborhood, getting ready to show my clients a truly exceptional, brand new colonial contemporary home. Their wish list: new construction over 7,000 square feet, near Longwood Medical Area, close to school, 2-car garage, and a chef kitchen with Italian cabinetry and oversized island, skylight window filling the home with natural light, and flat, oversized, fully fenced backyard for entertaining kids and pets. If that sounds like your lifestyle, keep watching. This home truly checked every luxury box: 7-bedroom, 7+ bathroom, forced air, central cooling and heating, and sun-splashed living spaces throughout. The first floor is open and bright, while skylights on the upper level create an airy and elevated feel in every room. 6.5 miles to Longwood Medical Area, 1 mile to Oak Hill Middle School, 2 miles to Memorial Spalding Elementary School, and 1.3 miles to Newton South High School. Let's step inside. With over 8,000 square feet of refined living, this home features soaring ceilings, floating glass railings, statement lighting, and seamless indoor-outdoor flow. Every detail reflects exceptional craftsmanship and sophisticated design. The chef kitchen is built to impress, featuring Sub-Zero and Wolf appliances, Italian cabinetry, a massive island, and a fully equipped professional chef pantry. The
primary suite is a private retreat with a spa-inspired bath, steam shower, and dual walk-in closet. This luxury new construction home, priced under $4 million. If you are ready to elevate your lifestyle in Newton Highland, text me for private details. As a long-time resident in Newton and working as a realtor over 20 years, I know firsthand how competitive this market can be. Here are my top 3 secrets in buying and finding your dream home in Newton. Number 1, work with the local experts. The Newton markets move quickly. Teaming up with the local agents means you will have the most up-to-date information and strategy to win in a bidding war. Number 2, get in early. Timing is everything. Touring a home before the clouds can give you huge advantage, helping a move before your competition even step through the door. Number 3, exploring the neighborhood. Newton is made of 13 unique villages, each has its own character and charm. Spending time driving around, walking the streets, discovering which neighborhood truly feels like home to you. Buying Newton can be challenging, but with the right strategy, you will find a home in Newton that can fit with your lifestyle and your future. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments if you want some detailed walkthrough or spotlights on specific neighborhood. And if you find this helpful and want to stay up to date on Greater Boston markets, don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.